In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get to your OneDrive settings. Setting up and managing your OneDrive correctly is a crucial aspect of making the most out of cloud storage. So let's walk through these steps together. To start off, you'll want to locate the OneDrive icon on your computer. This icon appears as a cloud and can be found in your taskbar's notification area. Depending on your system settings, the cloud might appear blue or white, but in both cases, the icon is the same. This is your gateway to accessing OneDrive settings and kicking off our journey into managing those settings effectively. Once you've spotted the cloud icon, the next step is to right-click on it. This action will prompt a pop-up menu to appear, which gives you several options related to your OneDrive account. Right-clicking is a simple yet essential trick across many applications that can reveal menus otherwise hidden when using left-click alone. This method is particularly handy for accessing settings and other vital components swiftly. From this newly appeared menu, you'll want to scroll through to find the settings option. Again, this might appear straightforward, but it's crucial to ensure that you select the correct item from the menu to avoid accidentally navigating to other OneDrive features that we won't be covering today. This step is where you dive a little deeper, as choosing settings will open up new possibilities and customizations for your storage app. When you click on settings, you'll be taken to a section where you can manage several of your OneDrive features. Here, you'll find multiple tabs, each dedicated to different aspects of your storage management, from account information and file syncing options to security settings and notifications. Exploring these tabs can give you a more in-depth control over your OneDrive experience, allowing you to customize it to better suit your needs. As you navigate through these settings, take note of the various options and what they can do for you. For example, you might decide to check which folders are being synced to your local machine, or adjust the bandwidth settings if you're experiencing slow uploads or downloads. Additionally, keeping an eye on updates from this section can ensure that your app runs smoothly with the latest features and security enhancements. And there you have it, a straightforward step-by-step guide to accessing your OneDrive settings. By following these instructions, you will have a better grasp of managing your cloud storage efficiently. Remember, keeping your settings up to date is key to utilizing OneDrive to its fullest potential, so don't hesitate to explore and adjust as necessary. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.